In part 1, we saw the new field populated with a value directly in the XML, but not in the PDF output form. To make my new field visible on billing document output, I need to make a custom version of the relevant form template, to which I can then add the field. The first step is to open the Maintain Form Templates app from my SAP Fiori Launchpad and go to the Pre-Delivered Templates tab. In this case, I want to change the English version of the standard invoice form, so I select it and download it. After selecting the relevant form template master for my new form, an archive containing 3 files is downloaded. It contains the master form, a form template XTB file, and the associated XSD file, which contains the XML schema. When I open the XTB file with Adobe Lifecycle Designer ES4 for SAP, it informs me that the XML schema has changed. This is because I've added a new field to the XML schema by enabling usage of the custom field in the data source. Therefore, the XSD file no longer reflects the XML schema as delivered by SAP. I choose Yes to make the new field available in the form template. On the left side of the form, I can see the form's hierarchy structure. On the Data View tab, I can see all fields available for this form. The easiest way to get my new item level field onto the form is to copy a simple existing item row and paste it while the inner table node is selected. This inserts the new row directly underneath, but I can move it wherever I want. Then I rename the row, the subform, and the field itself by right-clicking. To show the correct label on the output, I also need to change the caption from batch number to customer material ID. To populate the field with the correct value whenever a billing document is created, I also need to adjust the binding. On the Binding tab, I select Use Data Connection, then I navigate through the data structure, Billing Document Node, Items, Billing Document Item Node, and then select my custom field. Because I copy-pasted the batch number item, this item scripting, which hides the field when it's not populated, was also carried forward. I can take a look at the scripting by pulling down the scripting editor while the field is selected. The easiest way to test this form is directly in Adobe Lifecycle Designer ES4 for SAP. For the test, I use the XML I downloaded during part 1 of this video series, which already contains the field, including a value. If I right-click the Preview PDF tab and open the form properties, then select Preview, I can browse through my XML containing the new field. If I now go to the Preview tab, the PDF is rendered using the XML data of the file. I can now check my field and yep, it's rendered correctly and populated with a value. I now save my custom form template before uploading it back into the system. I now return to the Maintain Form Templates app to upload my modified form template. On the Custom Templates tab, I choose New to create a new custom form template. In the pop-up, I enter a form name, select the language, and browse for my modified XDP file. I select the same data source as I used when I downloaded the original form template. If I want to make additional changes, I can download and re-upload the form from here later. For now, I just save my changes. My modified form is now in the system, but before it can be used for billing document output, I need to make some final configurations, which are shown in part 3 of this video series.